India, the most preferred destination in the world. From engineering to education, information technology to infrastructure development, medical transcription to medical tourism. Leading the knowledge revolution and enjoying one of the highest growth rates in the global economy consistently, the story of India's shining continues. And within the India story is a key player who enjoys a unique leadership position located at Pirangut, Pune, about 180 kilometers from Mumbai, the commercial capital of the country. Pune, situated in the top-ranked industrial state of Maharashtra, is renowned not only as a center for education and culture, but it also boasts of the second-largest industrial zone in the country. A city which has become the cynosure of the global automotive and IT industry. Imeco is headquartered in Pune. Imeco is the leading designer and manufacturer of industrial cleaning equipments in India. Imeco, founded in 1968. Imeco's manufacturing facility is spread over 8,000 square feet and has facilities and equipments for machine building, machining, fabrication, PCB assembly, frequency measurement, product testing and gravimetric testing. With the auto and auto components sectors growing at over 25% every year, the need for economical yet sophisticated and high-precision cleaning technologies is being felt by companies all over the world. India is becoming a manufacturing center for engineering, semiconductor, automotive and auto ancillary industries. Hence, cleaning requirements in India are also growing, and it is here that Imeco offers tremendous advantages through its focus on innovation and new products development as per the customer's changing needs. Imeco has successfully installed its cleaning machines in over 23,000 locations, are being used all over India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Singapore, Italy and Romania. The company offers an extensive range of high-tech industrial cleaning equipments which cover single-chamber ultrasonic equipments, multi-chamber custom-built equipments, single-chamber multi-process equipments, ultrasonic vapor degreasers and the latest development for the first time in India, cleaning and drying under vacuum using solvents. The company also offers the high-tech push-pull and single-push ultrasonic transducers and generators of Martin Walter Ultraschall Technik, Germany. It is the company's mission to provide its customers with the latest machines and solutions by being sensitive to customer needs, adopting the latest technologies, effecting timely deliveries and generating the best value for money. Adherence to the best quality practices is a way of life at Imeco. Imeco is all about successful collaboration. The triumphant saga of Imeco is due to its people. Its employees are its greatest assets. These high-caliber professionals are trained, qualified, cerebral and knowledgeable. The carefully selected vendors invariably provide services that match up to Imeco's stringent standards. The extensive reach of the company's nationwide sales and service network helps it to respond and deliver promptly. The company has an association with Martin Walter Ultraschall Technik, Germany since the year 2001 for their push-pull and single-push ultrasonic transducers and generators. The cleaning machines at Imeco have been developed over several decades and have satisfied critical applications in diverse industries such as automobile, engineering, aviation, nuclear, space research, power generation, steel, plastic processing, textile and pharmaceuticals. Some of the critical applications for which Imeco has provided solutions are precision cleaning of diesel fuel injection parts, including the common rail direct injection system, shock absorber parts, steering parts, transmission parts, engine parts, bearings and hydraulic parts for the automotive sector. Imeco has also provided solutions for cleaning of filters and spinnerets for the man-made fiber industry, syringes and cannulas for the medical sector, and watch and jewelry, to name a few. Imeco also holds a patent for the ultrasonic shot peening machine for strain hardening of fir tree blade roots used in the MiG aircraft. The customer list of Imeco: Tata Motors, Titan, Gabriel, Lawson & Toubro, Bajaj Auto, Nuclear Power Corporation, Imeco, ZF Steering Gear, Tata Visteon, Grossbeckert Asia, Tecumseh, Cummins, Delphi TVS, Siemens, Burgmann Seals, ABB, Elpro, SKF Bearings, NRB Bearings, Timex Watches, Eaton Hydraulics and many more. So, welcome to India and give yourself an advantage with Imeco.